Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, Realtor in London, Ontario. Thank you so much for tuning in to see my latest listing for this beautiful home that has been loved by the same family for over 70 years. Although this home was built in 1928, it has 4 spacious bedrooms upstairs, as well as an open floor plan on the main floor for your kitchen, living, and dining area. It's a great space for your family and entertaining. Now don't let the address fool you. Although this home is located on a busy road, you can easily turn your vehicle around in the driveway, allowing you to pull in and off the road quite easily. The backyard is also so deep and protected that it's quiet and it's peaceful. So take a look at the video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to arrange a private viewing of this stunning family home, you can contact me with the information you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.